So the great thing about Meeting of the Minds is not the people that you meet everywhere around the country, but it's the people that you meet close to home that you didn't know that you knew close to home. My good friend, Bob Martynuk. Bob, where do you hail from?
Monroe Township, New Jersey.
Monroe Township, New Jersey. Where are my New Jersey parrot heads out there? So I've known Bob for a lot of years. A lot of years. And we've always bonded over this song. And Bob, I called you up here onto this stage for the last time that Jimmy and the Parrots are playing this song on this stage because I love you and you're my good friend. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
To Captain Tony's to get out of the heat. I heard a voice call out to me, "Son, come and have a seat." I had to search my memories as I looked into those eyes. Our lives changed like the weather, but a legend never dies. He said I ain't the last mango in Paris. I took the last train out of Sacco. I took the first class boat to China. And Jimmy, there's still so much to read.
All right, Bob, we're doing a short version, all right? I love you. I love you, but we got a lot to do in a short amount of time.
Where do you want to go to?
We shot the breeze for hours.
Okay, good enough.
And 1, 2, 3. We shot
The breeze for hours and the sun fell from the skies.
and like the sun, he disappeared
Right
before my very eyes. It was getting past dark 30 as I went back to the inn. I read on the dingy walls the words the old man said. He said, I ain't the last mango in Paris. I took the last train out of Saigon.
I took the first class boat to China, and Jimmy, there's still so much to do. I ain't the last mango in Paris. I took the last plane out of Saigon. I took the first class boat to China, and Jimmy, there's still so much to be done. I love you, Jimmy. That's why we wander and follow la vida song. All the nights when love takes us just where I want. That's where I want. La vida song.
Bob Martynuk, everybody. New Jersey native. You got to keep those close to home, close to your heart, right?
A little song we wrote to thank you guys and to thank Jimmy and his staff for all they've done for us. Looking out on the sea of smiling faces, swaying to the rhythm and the sound. A pat on your back from your favorite friends. There's high fives going
Gotta give me a
all
kiss, man.
around.
I'll get you.